The switch both turns your tool on and off and allows you to vary the speed of the motor. After years of use, the switch can fail, either no longer turning the motor on or losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor. Replacing the variable speed switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the rear handle. Now I have access to the old switch and I can go ahead and remove it. The two wires from the motor will be removed using a pin. I insert the pin next to the wire and then I can pull the wire out of the switch. I'll remove the white and black wires by loosening the screws on the side of the switch. There's a rubber boot over the trigger and I need to remove that as well. Now I can install the new switch. First I'll place the boot over the trigger. Now I'll reinstall the white wire. And then the black. And then the two wires for the motor. Now I'll tuck all the wires back into place and replace the top half of the handle. And that's all it takes to replace the switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.